Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete and remove a campaign from your Google Ads account. Now, what we need to do first of all is be able to go and see all of our campaigns in our account, and all you need to do to visit this page is go over to campaigns and select campaigns and make sure that we have all campaigns on our filter. As you can see right here, this has brought up all the different campaigns in my account, one that we have active, one that we have paused, and 3 that we have already removed. One thing to note before you go ahead and do this is once you do remove a campaign, it cannot just be switched back to active or paused. You will have to create a brand new campaign, so please do bear that in mind. But with that said, let's go ahead and remove this campaign right here that we currently have paused. And to be able to do that, all we need to do is go over to the status tab over here where it says paused and click the drop down. And then we're going to want to switch it over to remove. From here, you are going to get a warning message from Google, just checking that you definitely want to permanently remove one campaign. And if you do, you go ahead and click confirm. And as you can see, this campaign has now been removed and we can't do anything with it. It will not go from your Google account completely, but basically now this has been removed, it is as good as deleted from your Google account. If you wanted to hide all of your removed campaigns, all you need to do is go over to the top where it says filters, click on campaign status, and then select enabled and paused from the drop down, and as you can see it will only show your active and paused accounts, and it will take off all the removed ones as a filter. Hope this video helped, and I'll catch you in the next one.